Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see project on agriculture management system using PHP and MySQL. This is a project developed by our team Parthenium Projects. This project main mission is to provide technology and services to farmers, merchants and farmer labor to help them expanding their business and provide them with a wide marketing and to improve the present farmer process and to provide knowledge about recent agriculture issues. So this is what our project mainly based on. So here is a home page you can see. You can see the customers, farmer, worker. So here are the useful links, services and staff login you have. So this is our home page and here you have different options like home, blog. These are the few blogs. You can see it over here. If you want to read it, you can open and read it. This is the blog. Next one is news. So these are few news provided by the government for the farmers. You can see the updates over here. Next one is farmer kit. In farmer kit, you have fertilizers, floods, machinery equipments, compost, biofertilizers, chemical fertilizers, urban fertilizers, organic manure. You have different things over here. Next one is farmer marketing. You have many marketing over here. Then hire, my account. In my account you have customer, farmer, worker, contact details. These are the few options given in the home page. So first let us log into the admin account. So here I am going to give admin has username, password and click on login here. Here I have logged in. Here I have logged in. This is the dashboard. You have number of options over here. You can see the admin records, number of admin records 3, number of article records 13, number of category records 20, number of city records 289, number of country records 2, number of customer record 5, number of produce record 173, number of product record 5, number of purchased bill records 39. You have many options here. You can see it in the dashboard. So this is about the dashboard in home. Next one is blog. Just now I showed you different blogs present here. Next one is news. Here you can see all the news related to farmers. Next one is farmer kit. In farmer kit, fertilizers. Here few fertilizers are being shown. Next option is fooders. Next you have machinery equipments. These are few machinery equipments. Composite, biofertilizers, chemical fertilizers, urea fertilizer. You have different options given over here. Organic, urea fertilizers, organic manures, seeds. You have many farmer kits over here. You can purchase from here. Farmer marketing you have. In farmer marketing you have fruits, cereals, seeds, spices, vegetables, fruit and nuts, edible oil, herbal products, other agro products, beverages. You can click any of the things and see the needs. Select the country, select the state, select the city, click on search. No item is displayed based on this particular location. So here you can see marketing, farmer marketing in each and every country, state and city. You can market in different states also. Next is hire. You can see different employees over here. Next one is my account. In my account you have, in admin panel you can see the dashboard. Next is report. In report you have customer report. In customer report you can view all the registered customer. This is the customer name, address, contact detail, mobile number, customer type, wholesale, retailer. You can see the customer type, status and action you can see. If you want to edit the customer record, you can edit it. If you want to delete the customer record, you can delete it. Next is under report you have farmer reports. In farmer reports you can see all the registered farmers. You can see registered farmer list. You can see the name, address, contact number, mobile number, email ID, bank details, status and action you can see. So these are the few farmers, those who have registered. Next is farmer produce report. Here you can view the farmer produced report. You can see the seller name, category, produce, varieties, title, image, quantity, description about the product, uploaded date, status you can see. If you want to edit any of the information you can edit it. If you want to delete, you can delete it. Next one is product billing report. Here is the product purchase billing report. You can see the bill number, address, purchase date, total amount, status and you can view the bill. If you want to view any of the bill, click on view bill. The bill will be generated over here. You can see the image, product detail, cost, quantity and grand total you can see. If you want to print a bill, you can print it. You can see the billing detail, bill number, bill date, bill name, phone number, delivery address. This is about viewing the bill. This is about viewing the bill. Next is under report you have product purchase request. You can request for a product. So here is the product name, quantity, request date, expire date, note and action you can see. Here whichever the product you have request for the particular seller, that detail will be, if you request any of the product to the farmer, that request will be displayed over here. Next one under report, product billing report. Here you can see the farmer produce purchase bill report. Since none of the product is purchased, the bill is not generated. Next one you can see general settings. Next one is general settings. Under general settings you have add admin. You have many options here. We'll see one by one. First we are going to add up a admin. To add an admin, you need to enter the admin details. Give the admin name, give the login ID, give password. Password should be minimum of 8 character and maximum of 16 character length. Confirm the password, give status as active, then press submit. That particular admin will be added. Next one is viewing the admin. Here you can view all the admins in this particular platform. Here you can see the admin name, login ID and status. If you want to delete any of the admin, you can delete here. If you want to edit any of the option, you can edit here. Next one is change my password. So admin can change his password, give his old password, give the new password, confirm the password, click on change password. Next one is adding a city. So here, if any new city you want to add, you can add it over here. First, give the country name, select the state, select the city, description about the city, click on status. That particular city record will be added to your platform. Viewing the cities. Here you can view all the records. Here you can see the country, state, city, description about the particular city. Then you can see the action. If you want to delete any of the city, you can delete it. If you want to edit, you can edit it. Next one is adding state. Just now we saw adding city and viewing city. Next, adding state. If you want to add up a new state, you can come here and add the details. First, give the country, which country that particular state belongs to. Click on the state. Give the description about the state. Click on active. Press submit. That particular state will be added. Next one is viewing the state. Here you can view the state. View the state record. You have the country, state, state description, status, and you have action. If you want to delete any of the state, you can delete it. If you want to edit it, you can come here and edit any of the description or city name or state name. You can do it. Next one is adding a country. If you want to establish your business and you have established your business in any other country, that particular country details you can add. First, give the country name, give the description about the country, click on status as active, click on submit. That particular country will be added. Lastly, you can view all the countries in your platform. Here you can see the country name, description, status, and action. If you want to edit any of the details, you can edit here. If you want to delete that particular country, you can delete here. This is about the general settings. Next one is farmer setting. In farmer setting, if you want to add any new product category, you can come to farmer setting, add product category. You need to enter all the details over here. Type the category, choose the image of the category, give the description about the category, give status as active, click on submit. That particular product will be added into your database. Next one is viewing the product category. So here you can view all the category. Here you have category, description, image, status, and action. In category, you can see cereal pulses, dry fruits, edible oil, fruits, vegetable, herbs. You can see all these category. If you want to add any of the category, you can add it. If you want to view all the categories, you need to come to view category and view it over here. If you want to delete it, click on delete. That particular product will be deleted. If I press OK, the product will be deleted. Next one is adding the product type. If you have any product type, you can add it. So here click on the category, which category that particular product comes under. Then give the product name, choose the product file, image, give the description about the product, click on status as active, click on submit. That particular product will be added. Next one is viewing the product types. Here you can view all the product types. If you want to delete the record, you can delete it. So category you can see, products you can see, description about the products you can see, images you can see, status, action you have. In action you can either edit it or delete it. These are the few products record. Next one is add product varieties. If you have any varieties about the product, you can add that particular variety. So here you need to add few details to add up a variety. First, click on the category, then click on the product. In that particular product, first I will click on the category has fruit. In product we have grapes. In that variety, whichever the variety name it is, you need to give the name, then give description about the product, choose the file, choose the image, click on status as active, click on submit. Under this category, under this product, this variety will be added. So this is how you are going to add up a variety. Next one is viewing the product varieties. Here you can view all the product variety list. You have the category, you have the product, you have the variety, here you have the description, here you have the image, status. If you want to delete any of the varieties, you can delete it. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. Next one is worker. Here you can add up a worker or view worker request. So first I have clicked view worker. So these are the few registered worker list. You have the name of the worker, address, contact detail, working profile, date of birth, login ID, expected salary. You have action. Under action you have edit, delete and download biodata. If you click on download biodata, you can see here the biodata is downloaded. This is about the registered workers. Next you can view the worker request. So those who have requested for work, you can see their profile. Here you can see the profile, date, task allotted, work, location, status and action you can see. So which are the worker working and which is the task allotted for that particular worker, you can see it over here. If you want to view in detail, click on view. The details will be displayed about that particular worker. Next one is farmer kit. If you have any new farmer kit that has to be sold, you can come to the farmer kit, add selling product category. Here you can view the product category, you can add it, click on the category, choose the file, give the description about the category, click on status as active, click on submit. That particular product will be added. Next one is viewing selling product category. So here you can view all the categories. Here you can view the category, description, image, status and action. In action you can either edit or delete. If you want to delete this particular category, click on delete, press OK, that particular product will be deleted. Next one is adding farmer kit. If you want to add any farmer kit, you can add it. First choose the category, then give the product name, then give the product description, choose the images. If you have more images, you can click on all the images, choose the file, give the quantity type, whether the product in kilogram, gram or piece, you can select that. Cost of the product you can type. Next click on the status as active, click on submit. That particular farmer kit will be added. Next one is viewing the farmer kit. So here you can view the farmer kit. Here you have the category, product name, product description, images, quantity type, cost, status. Last one is action. In action, if you want to delete any of the product, you can delete it. So here you can see all the products detail. This is about the farmer kit. Next we are going to see the article setting. If you want to add any of the article, add article. First give the article type, whether it is a news or a blog. Next publish date you have to choose. Next Give the title of the blog. Next, give the description about the blog. Choose the primary image. Choose all the 5 images. Click on submit. That particular blog will be added. Next is viewing the articles. So here you can view all the articles that has been published. Here you can see the article type, date, title, images. You can see all the 5 images. In action you have edit and delete option. If you want to delete any of the blog, you can delete it. If you want to edit any of the blog, you can edit it. This is about the viewing the articles. Next one is logout. Once when I click on logout, I'll come out of the admin. Here you can see I have come out of the admin page. This is about the staff login. The staff as well as the admin is same here. So I have showed you the staff login, that is admin login. Next one, if you want to log in into the customer account, click on customer login. So here if you are an existing customer, you can click here. If you are a new customer, I need to click on new to sign up. So I need to give all the details given here. So I need to give I'll give the customer name, email ID, next password, click on the confirm password, give the address, click on country, click on state, click on city, then click on pin code, click on the contact details, click on the mobile number, click on the type of customer you are, click on register. So I have registered successfully. Now I'll log in into the account. So here I'll give my email ID, I'll give the password, I'll click on login. Here you can see the customer dashboard, you can see the details about the customer. Here I can view the blog, news I can see the farmer kits. Next I can see the farmer market. In account, I have customer panel. If I go to customer panel, you can see details. Next is farmer kit purchase report. Here I can view all the details. Bill number I can see, address I can see, purchase date, total amount, active. If you want to view any of the bill, click on view bill. That particular bill will be shown. Next one is viewing the farmer produce purchase request. You can view the produce request. Next, viewing the farmer purchase order, you can see since none of the product is purchased, it is showing empty. Next one is viewing the bill report. Next is updating the profile. If you want to update any of the information, you can change the information and click on update. Next one is changing the password. So if I want to change a password, first I need to click on the old password, give the new password, confirm the password, click on change, password will be changed. Last one is logout. If I click on logout, I'll come out of the customer page. This is about the project agriculture management system. This is how you are going to manage a agriculture. So this is a platform where you can maintain the customer, maintain a farmer, you can get news, you can read blogs, you can view the new products that is helpful for the farmers. So everything in one particular platform you can see. This is about our project. Customization of the project is done by our team Parthian Projects. If you like this video, please like, share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.